So today we are going to solve another question of leet code. I have take out the question. It is easy level question. Okay, right now we are only doing the easy level problems of leet code. So it is the question number 9, the palindrome number. In Python you can do it with it very easily. Yes, you have to slice it. I will tell you the way you can do it. It is effective on both numbers, integers and strings. Okay, it is self and x will be given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false. Okay, if it is add that much easy, if x inside x minus 1, I will tell you what it does, but let's run it and we'll see will it work. Return, it will return true. Okay, let's see. Else return false. Maybe it will add false. Okay, run it and see will it work or not. Okay, int as okay. So let me make it as a string, then we can compare it easily. Str is equals to str. Let me see if it will work or not. Yeah, it is working nicely. Okay, let's submit it. We'll know if it is working or not. Yeah, it is accepted. Beats 89.77. As now, let me tell you what it does. It is a slice function. It is a method of Python to slice string arrays. Integers, it do not help with integer, but I have made the integer to a string, so that's why it is working fine here. So let me open editor, then I will let you know what it does. Online Python compiler. Okay, let's visit this site. Just it is okay. I will work on this only. Hello world, as you can see, it is printing the hello world. Now what I will do, I will make it like slicing from zero, from the starting. I want till the indexes, as this is 0 index, 1 2 3 4 4 index. I want this till 4. What it will give hell, and I want it as it do not include the last value, so it will not include the 0, so we have to make it +1 or hello. Now what after that, what if I make the step as 2? What it will does, look, it is making firstly it this prints, then 1 2, then this print, then 1. Okay, it is out of this, so nothing else, and 2. Okay, it is basically steps. So what -1 does, it just make this step backward. Okay, now you can see -1. Firstly it's okay, DLROW, it is from the last, it is taking. That is basically slicing. It is known as slicing. The palindrome thing we can can do nicely with this. Okay, we can. Okay, now let's move to another topic or question. Let me ask GPT for this. Let me ask, what are the data types or data structure that data structures in Python? Python I have not, might not data structures. Okay, data structure for DSA. Linear data structure. Linear means it is a basically line by line. So it is like array list, string list, can be dynamic array, the operation, linked list. Okay, I do not know what is linked list, so let us learn this linked list thing. Linked list, make me understand and give me answers. So GPT will help me to understand what is a linked list. Understanding linked list. So you also might not know or may know. I don't have any idea about this. So understanding linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure where elements are stored in nodes. Okay. I have done networking. Networking, it basically nodes means a device or anything. Let's know what it is mean by node. Okay. So each node contain data. The value stored in the node pointer reference. Okay, pointer reference means it is referencing to another thing. I know the overview, but I do not know the main thing why it is used. So our reference to the text node to the list. Okay, like array linked list won't be use contiguous memory location, making them ideal for situation where the size of the data structure can grow or shrink. Okay, types of linked list. Single linked list. Next node, double linked. Each node points to the both its previous circular. The last nodes points back to the first node. Okay. Advancement of dynamic size. No need to define the size upfront. Unlikely arrays. Alright. Efficient insertion deletion, can add remove element without resizing or shifting. Alright. Disadvantage, sequential access. Okay, traversing a linked list is slower than accessing an array index. Okay, no. Okay, overhead, extra memory is needed for pointers. Single linked list example, initializes it, node data, cell dot data equal data part of the node, cell dot next equal pointer to the next node, class linked list in a cell dot head. Okay, it is making it a bit complex. Make it without classes. If you want to implement a linked list without using classes, you can achieve it by managing the nodes and their contiguous. Alright, so let me know if it is recording or not. Okay, it is recording. So yeah, linked list equals, initialize the linked list none, insert at end. Okay, it needs a head as a parameter and the data which we are going to. New node equals to our dictionary with the key is data and the value is also data. And next equals to none. Create a new node. New node equals to. Alright. If head is none, return new node. Temporary equals to head. While drivers to the last node. Display the linked list. If the head is none, linked list is happy. Empty linked list head. What is it? Insert added linked list and 10. What is this? Let me copy this code and work it. Then only I may get to know what it is doing. Why these ads are always there. Okay, so I have copied the code and now run it. Let's see what will happen. Display linked list. Alright, it is displaying something like this. Do we have make this? Okay, we make this. Okay, we make that. Otherwise, if we do not make this like this, it do not have anything to make. Okay. Insert at end and new node equals to data. Okay, it's a new node. If head is none, where we have make this insert at end. Wait. Linked list. We have made this. Okay. If head is none, returns new node. Other. Okay. Temporary equals to. So I think that I will learn it first, then make myself understand, and then by tomorrow we are going to solve a linked list problem. I think it is nice to solve it. First I will learn it. It is not that much complicated, but it is something. Okay, so I need to give some time. So this is for today. Meet you another day. Bye.